Transferring files to and from remote devices is a daily task for most enterprise teams. But when devices are behind NAT, firewalls, or on private networks, file transfer becomes complicated and often requires workarounds. Standard tools like SCP and SFTP are essential for workflows, backups, and updates. But opening ports, deploying VPNs, or setting up bastion hosts increases operational risk and complexity. Teams need a secure, auditable, and straightforward way to transfer files using standard protocols. Shellhub's enterprise solution enables secure SCP and SFTP access to devices, no matter where they are. The syntax is exactly what you'd expect from standard SSH tools, making it easy to integrate into your existing workflow. To quickly upload a file, you'll use the SCP command. If you need to do more than just a quick transfer, the SFTP command allows you to browse the remote file system. In both cases, the SSH ID acts as your device's global address, bypassing the need for complex VPNs or static IPs. Let's put this into action. From your device list, copy the SSH ID by clicking on it. In your terminal, you'll just run a traditional SCP or SFTP command, but we'll use the SSH ID given by Shellhub as hostname. File copied. Simple, right? If you need secure and seamless access to your devices, visit shellhub.io, request a demo, or sign up to try Shellhub today.